Whoa! Freeze. Alright, I'm not really going to shoot. I realize I look very badass today, and I would like to tell you about this awesome loadout. This is my primary airsoft loadout, Army Rangers. I'd like to start from the head up. We've got comms, an official Army Rangers helmet, and my favorite gun, my M4 carbine. It's modded to shoot airsoft pellets. We got night vision goggles, and I've got this backpack I used to carry my stuff in, and some nice boots, and my 511 tactical stretchy shirt, and just some blue jeans. And this really keeps you safe, like where it's a bicycle helmet and all, but it works pretty good, you know. That's all I have to say. Peace.